In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable the side panel on the Samsung Internet browser. So all you need to do is simply open up the Internet browser and then navigate to Settings. In Settings, you then want to go ahead and select the option Sidebar and Side Panel. Then from here, just click on the toggle to turn it on. You can see the side panel has automatically opened, and then you can choose to leave it like that so that whenever you take your mouse or your cursor to the side of the screen, the panel appears. Or you can choose to enable always show sidebar like so, and now it's permanently pinned to your screen. So it's up to you to decide what you prefer. Then once you've made that, you can just close the settings window and continue using your internet browser with the changes appropriated. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.